Simple past passive. The simple past passive voice is used to describe actions that happened in the past, where the focus is on the action or its result rather than who performed it. The structure is object plus was slash were plus past participle, verb 3, plus, optional, by plus agent. When to use simple past passive. When the doer of the action is unknown, unimportant, or obvious from the context. Example. The window was broken. It doesn't matter who broke the window. 2. To emphasize the action or result rather than the doer. Example. The cake was eaten. Focus is on the cake, not who ate it. 3. Informal or scientific contexts. Example. The experiment was conducted successfully. Used when the doer is not important or is already known. Examples of simple past passive. Affirmative. 1. The book was written by an unknown author. 2. The painting was sold at the auction. 3. The package was delivered yesterday. Negative. 1. The homework wasn't completed on time. 2. The door wasn't locked when I arrived. Questions. 1. Was the letter sent this morning? 2. Were the invitations delivered? Unknown agent. Examples. 1. The lamp was fixed. 2. The streets were cleaned after the parade. By plus agent, optional. Examples. 1. The bridge was built by engineers in 1900. 2. The song was composed by Mozart. Comparison with active voice. Active, the chef cooked the meal. Passive, the meal was cooked by the chef. Here are more examples of the simple past passive voice used in various contexts. 1. Daily life contexts. 1. The keys were lost yesterday. 2. Dinner was prepared by my mother. 3. The lights were turned off at midnight. 4. The house was cleaned before the guests arrived. 2. Historical events. 1. The pyramids were built thousands of years ago. 2. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. 3. The treaty was signed by both countries. 4. The Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. 3. Science and technology. 1. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. 2. The experiment was conducted in a laboratory. 3. Electricity was discovered in the 18th century. 4. The vaccine was developed to stop the disease. 4. Formal or official contexts. 1. The new policy was approved by the committee. 2. The report was submitted on time. 3. The contract was signed by all parties involved. 4. The proposal was rejected due to budget constraints. 5. Crime or accident reports. 1. The bank was robbed last night. 2. 2 people were injured in the accident. 3. The suspect was caught by the police. 4. The evidence was destroyed before it could be examined. 6. Unknown or unimportant doer. 1. The mistake was corrected quickly. 2. The letter was sent earlier today. 3. The cake was eaten before I got home. 4. The work was finished ahead of schedule. 7. Arts and literature. 1. The play was written by Shakespeare. 2. The movie was directed by Steven Spielberg. 3. The sculpture was carved from marble. 4. The book was translated into several languages. These examples highlight different contexts where the simple past passive is commonly used. The focus in all these cases is on the action or result rather than the doer. Thanks for watching.